integration from Cambridge Admit book, and it's exercise 15.4. In this time we are going to integrate exponential function. We know the basic rule of the exponential function. If it is having with the e to the power x dx, its answer is e to the power x plus c. So if there is a constant given, say e to the power x, ax or something, or ax plus b written there, then dx, what is the integration of that one? It's easy, 1 by a. Coefficient of x, where is the a written, we need to write just 1 by a, and whole thing we have to write again, e to the power ax plus b plus c. So this is the part of this. We are going to apply this formula here. Say question number 1a, they are asking to integrate. So simple. Coefficient of x is 5. Let you write it 1 by 5 first. Then if exponential, whatever it is written, we need to write the full thing again, 5x plus c. Let's see the question number D from here. It is written e to the minus 2x. So if we integrate, definitely the coefficient of x is minus 2 given. So you can write it minus half 1 by that coefficient. Then e to the power minus 2x. Same thing again plus c. This is the integration of that part. Even if we do the question number Z, it is written here 7x plus 4. So its coefficient of x is 1 by 7. So coefficient of x 7, we needed to write 1 by 7 according to the rule of integration. Then e to the power 7x plus 4, then plus c is our part of this answer. So let's see if there is a negative coefficient is given like this. Question number 8, if we integrate, then we got from here coefficient of x with the sign, it is minus 2. So 1 by minus 2, we needed to write 1 by minus 2. Then e to the power 5 minus 2x is the answer of this question. So we can keep it minus 1 by minus half, or we also can write keeping the minus half in the middle is the same thing, by 5 minus 2 is x plus c. Hope you understood the questions we have done so far from exercise 15.4 question number 1. And for question number 2, almost all questions are similar type. It is the questions are given here with something we needed to break down first. Say this is the question. If we select to C, it is written here, this is the expression having with the 2. Let me break down first. If we needed to apply here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab, so 2 into 3 e to the power x into e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x whole square, b square. So if we remove the bracket from here, then it should be 9 e to the power 2x. According to the rule of indices, you know, if the power is given, we need to multiply the power here. So then the next part is 3 to the 6 and e to the power x minus x, which gives us 0 because we are going to add. So while you are doing your integration, you have to have the very good concept about the indices. So if you don't know the indices, please see the indices part first. This is e to the power minus twice x. We needed to just multiply x into minus twice x. So one more line you can write from here, 9 e to the power 2x, then plus 6 e to the power 0. We know all anything power 0 equals to 1. We are going to apply here this one. So e to the power 0 1 here, then plus e to the power minus 2x. Now it is possible to integrate. It's now easy. Let me apply the formula like before, which is 9 over 2 e to the power 2x. Then only the single term is written there 6, so there is a x we need to write beside it. Then another part e to the minus 2 is x, so it is having with the 1 by 2 e to the power minus 2x plus c. Why it is a minus sign? Because coefficient of x having with a minus sign, if you write 1 by minus 2, definitely there is a minus sign in front of it. We can leave our answer here. This is our answer of this question. Let me do one more question, similar question. Same questions are there. We needed to write the exponential individually first. Say the question number F we are going to solve right now. It is on the top part is having with the square, so we needed to apply the formula first. Let's use the different color for F. So first apply the formula on the top, which is having with e to the power 4x, e to the power 4x whole square, a square you can say, then minus 2ab, 2 into e to the power 4x into 2 e to the power x minus 2ab, then the formula is plus b square 2 e to the power x whole square, and its denominator is given is e to the power 3x. Every exponential term we are going to write separate, so it would be e to the power 4 to the 8x, because we know if the power, then again power is given, then we are going to multiply the power, then minus 2 to the 4. Well, now we are going to add the power, because 2 base is e given according to the rule of indices. You can write it 4x plus x, which is 5x. Then the last one is plus 2 to the 4 e to the power 2x. So you must have the knowledge about the indices while you are doing this question. Now break down this one. E to the power 8x minus 3x. You can write it like this, every single term like this, e to the power 8x divided by e to the power 3x, rather than writing directly minus 4 e to the power 5x, and the below it is e to the power 3x, and the last term as well, it is written here, say plus 4 e to the power 2x, and it is below written here e to the power 3x. So just according to the rule of indices, we can subtract the power, and it gives us 8x minus 5 3x, which is 5x. I am writing directly here minus 4 e to the power 5x minus 3x, which gives us 2x, and the last one we can write 4 e to the power 2x minus 3x, which is minus x. Now this expression we could write the whole thing like this, just after doing some algebraic working. Now it is possible to integrate. Let me apply here integration now, because they are asking to integrate. So I'm going to write its answer on the website. Now in one line you can finish it. Coefficient of x is fine, then it is 1 by 5 e to the power 5x as integration rule. Then next one is minus 4 by 2. It is y, because coefficient of x is 2, that's why. Then e to the power 2x, and the last, which is having with plus 4 e to the power, sorry, I needed to write it 4 e to the power minus x, so 4 e to the power minus x divided by minus 1. It comes from the coefficient of x, then plus c. Let me write our final part, 1 by 5 e to the power 5x, e to the power 5x. Then the next part is minus 2 e to the power 2x minus 4 divided by e to the power x, you can write, plus c, and that is our answer of this question. Question number 2f we are doing, and this is the question we have done from the Cambridge Admit book. It's exercise 15.4 we are doing right now, 15.4, about the exponential function. Accordingly, let we move to the next question, question number 4, 5, and some other questions. We're doing from the Cambridge Admit book, and it's exercise 15.4 we're doing. So we know the basic rule of the integration. I'm going to write it again. If there is a ax plus b is written, then dx, it would be 1 by a comes from as a coefficient of x, then it is e to the power ax plus b plus c. So this a actually the coefficient of x, and exponential, we know we have to do the same thing again. And what is your basic rule of integration? If it is written the x to the power n dx, this is actually we have to write x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c is the basic rule of our integration. So let me do one question from here, question number 3b. It is having with this expression, directly you can integrate this. See, x square is written there, then it would be x cubed by 3, then minus 3 by 2. Why this is 2? 2 comes from the coefficient of x. Then the same thing we are going to write again, e to the power twice x plus 1 plus c, and this is your simplified part. We do not need to write anything more from here. If we choose the question number C, 3c, we needed to first write the expression separately. It is written here 3x squared e to the power 2x. Easily you can write it by dividing with 12 x squared e to the power x, then with a minus sign 4 e to the power x. We are going to write separate first 12 x squared e to the power x. Then the expression is, we can cut out this 2, this is 3 by 4, so we can write it 1 by 4 e to the power 2x minus x, which is e to the power x, then minus, this is 4, we can cut out with the 3, and e to the power x equal to a, we can cut out completely, which is minus 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2. Now it is possible to integrate. From this expression we can write the expression like this. Now it is possible to integrate. Very simple integration is here. 1 by 4 e to the power x first one, then minus 1 by 3 into x to the power minus 1. Why? Because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. So we can write our final answer 1 by 4 e to the power x minus minus plus 1 by 3 x to the power minus 1 plus c. We can leave our answer here. If we want, we can write it like this as well, by take the x below 3x plus c. So both way here or in that place you can leave our answer. We are doing from integration Cambridge Admit Book exercise 15.4. Let's move to the question number 4 right now. Question number 4 is written there, that is the expression passes through the point 0,4, find the equation of the curve. So we have to apply the integration. Question 4 we are doing right now. Question 4, let me write the expression like this. dy equals to the exponential expression 2 e to the power 2x, then plus e to the power minus x dx. Apply integration on the both sides of that expression, then it should be y equals to 2 e to the power 2x divided by 2 plus e to the power minus x divided by minus 1. Why we are writing here minus 1? This is coefficient of x, which is minus 1. So you can cut out this 2. Y equals to e to the power 2x minus, you can write 1 by e to the power x according to the rule of indices plus c, because negative power you can take it below. And here the coefficient, this is the x value given and that is the y value given. By putting these two value we can find out the constant c at the point 4, 0 and 4. So 4 is the y value, then equals to e to the power 0 minus 1 by e to the power 0, because x is 0 given, plus c. We know one thing, when something written here e to the power 0, e to the power 0, anything power 0 equals to 1, we are going to apply this one here as well. So it would be then 4 equals to 1 minus 1 by 1 is 1 plus c. So our c value we got from here 4. So our final destination is to just put our value of c and writing that expression, and it should be then y equals to e to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 4. This is our final answer of this question. Hope you enjoyed the questions I am solving. It's the question number 5 right now I'm trying to solve. It is written there, a curve has equation this one, and at the point gradient of the curve 2 and 10, gradient of the curve is 1 written there. So we can apply, this is the gradient expression. Gradient of the curve means gradient of the tangent is the same thing. Let me do the first part. So x value we are going to put in this expression 2 and dy by dx value is given 1. Let me try. It is k e to the power 2 minus x value is 2 given plus 4 into 2 equals to gradient expression given is 1. So our value is k e to the power 0. Again here e to the power 0, we know e to the power 0 equals to 1. So we can write here k equals to 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. So our expression of this expression you can write by using the minus 7 e to the power 2 minus x then plus 4x. So the first question is find the value of k. So this is our value of k, we can keep answer here. The second question, find the equation of the curve. So for doing the equation of the curve, this is our expression. We needed to integrate. So let you write the expression. dy equals to this expression we are going to write after placing the value of k, 7 e to the power 2 minus x, and plus 4x is written there. Right there dx, and we are going to apply here the integration on the both side. Then y equals to, we can write it minus whole thing with the expression 2 minus x, and coefficient of x is minus 1. Let me write it below. Then the normal integration for 4x, which is 4x square by 2, we can write it plus c. Now we can simplify it. Y equals to minus minus, it gives the positive sign, so 7 e to the power 2 minus x, and the next expression is 2x square plus c. It's time to find out the constant c. The value 2 and 10, it satisfies the equation. Let me put this 2 and 10 in this equation to get our value of c. Y value is 10 and the x value is 2. We're going to put here 7 e to the power 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus c. So that is our expression. 10 equals to, we can write here 7, because we know e to the power 0 is always 1. Anything power 0 from the indices, we know it is 1. So 4 to the 8 plus c. That is our expression in this curve equation. So we can write here c equals to 10 minus 15, which is minus 5. So therefore, by putting this value of c in this equation, you can write the expression y equals to 7 e to the power 2 minus x plus 2x square, and the value of c is minus 5. So this is our curve equation. The question number B asking you to find out the equation of the curve. Hope guys you understood the questions we have done for you. This is Cambridge Admit Book exercise 15.4 we are solving, and we are trying to show you one more question number 7. We have to understand first the question is the completely different. Double differentiation part is given 80 to the power minus 2x, but the question is written given that dy by dx equals to 2 when x equals to 0. That is the information is provided. The curve passes through the point. Another point is given here. Find the equation of the curve. First we are going to apply this information in this curve equation. To make it dy by dx, we have to integrate first dy by dx. If we integrate on the right side, then you can write it 8 e to the power minus twice x dx. So if we apply the integration, which is 8 by minus 2 e to the power minus 2x plus c. So it gives us minus 4 e to the power minus twice x plus c. So first drill actually to find out the value of c from here, because x is 0 given. If we put this two information here, then we have to write, therefore we can write minus 4 e to the power x equals to 0 plus c equals to dy by dx value is given 2. Let me write here 2. Then minus 4 e to the power, we know that e to the power 0 equals to 1. It being applied here, then e to the 0 1 plus c equals to 2. So c value we got from here 2 plus 4, which is 6. So our expression dy by dx expression we can write like minus 4 e to the power minus 2x, then the c value is plus c. Now the second part we are going to start. It is written here, it passes through the point 1 and 2 e square. Find the equation of the curve. How to do that? So you have to integrate the expression again. The expression is written here minus 4 plus c. We got the value, sorry for that. We needed to write the expression minus twice x plus c value is plus 6. Okay, so let me integrate again. Then the expression becomes, we are going to integrate this one because dy by dx we got that expression. We needed to write the expression like this. Say dy equals to minus 4 e to the power minus 2x plus 6. Then dx, we are going to apply the integration, the whole thing again. So let me apply integration. So it will be y equals to minus 4 e to the power minus 2x divided by minus 2, because it comes from the coefficient of x. Then the next is 6 written, so we can write it 6x plus another constant. We can replace this constant by k. rather than writing the c again in the same equation, better to use another constant. So you also can write c, c1, c2 like that way to make the just different. If you write c, there is no problem. You also can write c. So in that expression, we also can write it, say minus minus you can cut out 4 to the 2, so to 2 e to the power minus 2x. Then the another part is written plus 6x plus k. That is the expression. So now we're going to put the value, this second point, 1 and 2 e to the power e square. So instead of, I'm going to write here, instead of y, we're going to put 2 by e square, 2 by e square. Then the x value, it is given 1, so let me write it 2 e to the power minus 2. Then plus 6 into x value is 1, given 1, plus k is a constant. So see, you can write it 2 square, and this is also 2 by square. So we can cut out from the both side 6 plus k. So we can cut out this 2 because it's cancel out. So from here we got the value k equals to minus 6. I think we got our equation of the curve. So just write this expression by putting the value of k. So it would be y equals to 2 e to the power minus 2x. Then the next part is plus 6x, and we got the value of k is minus 6. Hope